If I ask, how can we have one smartphone and one tablet together, probably your answer is one flip smartphone, which is very famous nowadays, and all brands have minimum one of them. But if I say I want even bigger screen, what's your answer? Your answer is here, Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate Design, which has 3 layers, 3 high quality layers, which we will speak about it today. But before we start, hello guys, welcome to my new video. This video has a giveaway, and you should count how many times I say phone. You should count it and comment it, and if you comment correctly, and if we have minimum 50 comments, we will have one live giveaway, and I will send $10 to your PayPal. Okay, let's go ahead and speak about this fancy and luxury phone. First, we will speak about information which company shared it. After that, I speak about my experience and what's advantage and disadvantage of this smartphone, and we will conclude together at the end of the video, should we buy this phone or not. So please watch this video till the end. First of all, we can see it comes with 2 colors, red with gold and black with gold, which is very nice. You can also see in picture and watching my video. For example, generally I don't like red color, but here this red combined with a gold color, and it's very fantastic. So about design, it's fantastic, it's the best, and it's very nice phone. How about information? Here we have too many information, and also you can also search the name on internet and see yourself, but I don't want to spend too much time on it, so I will just speak about important parts. So for example, depth. First of all, how is depth of this phone? So it's very important because it's 3 layers. So when it is just single screen, 12.8, dual screen, one of them 7.45, one of them 4.75, and in triple screen 3.6, 3.6 and 4.75 millimeter. So it's not thin, but you don't feel it in your hand. You don't feel uncomfortable. It's good. It's not like you cannot handle it. And also about weight, it is same. It's near about 300 grams, so it is heavier than normal smartphones, but again, you don't feel it. To be honest, I didn't feel that it's very heavy or how I can handle it. Maybe in your pocket you don't feel comfortable too much because of depth of this phone, but generally about weight and depth in your hand, you even feel power, not feel bad or it is heavy or you cannot handle it. You feel you are powerful with this phone. So it's nice phone. How about size? Screen size, single screen is 6.4, which is a bit bigger than normal smartphones, because average it is 6.2 at the moment, but it is 6.4. For dual screen it is 7.9 inches, and for triple screen it is 10.2 inches, which is very big to watch videos on YouTube and enjoy of your video. It's look like one big monitor. Type of screen is OLED, which is good, and up to 90 hertz and 90 hertz refresh rates. It's not too much and it's not too high, because at the moment 120 refresh rate is better, and not all smartphones but flagship phones have 120 hertz, but also 90 is better than 60, so it is good, it is acceptable. So how about resolution? 2232 times 1008 for single screen. For dual screen 2232 is same, times 2048, and for triple screen again 2232 times 3184 pixels. So if you don't understand what is this pixel, you also see in television or everywhere you hear this word, but if you don't know, these pixels are look like, I want to explain in simple language, is look like smart dots which has color and light, and all of them together make one image for you. So how much you have, for example, more pixels, which means we have more details, more dots to make one image. Okay, so for this size, for 10 inches, 2232 means a lot. It's very good. So operation system is EMUI 14.2, and unfortunately it is not Android phone, so it's the worst part and biggest disadvantage of this phone, unfortunately, because USA government banned this brand. They cannot use of Android, so it's not Android phone. Again, if you don't understand meaning of that, for example, iPhone has Mac, so applications for iPhone are not same with applications for Android. Some of them are same because company produced for both of them, but some of them no. For example, something you can find for Android free and too many applications for example, for scan, but for Apple it is not as much as Android and you should pay money, for example. And Huawei has its original system, which is not Android, so applications are very limited. Not all brands work on their system, and you can for example find normal applications look like YouTube or I don't know, Instagram or this kind of applications, but not as much as Android. Unfortunately, it is the worst part of their operation system. About memory, 16 GB RAM, it's acceptable, good. About the storage, 512 till 1 TB RAM, it's good, it's very good. About main camera, it is triple camera, one of them 50 megapixel ultra, and two of them is ultra wide, and periscope are 12 megapixel, which is not enough, I think, because at the moment brands have triple same megapixel, for example triple 50 megapixel, but this one is for 2024. Maybe on that time it was okay, but for now I think that it's not very powerful camera, and with 5.5 sorry optical zoom, it's okay. Image resolution image resolution is very good, 8192 times 6144, it's very good. Video resolution 3840 times 2160, again very good. It has LED flash. So how about front camera? 8 megapixel. It's horrible, it's very bad, unfortunately. I don't know why. Even in 2024, I think it was for September, this phone, front camera 8 megapixel is not enough, really. No, it's big no for camera. So if you are thinking about for example taking selfie, create video, this one is not for you, I think. Maybe you can just work with main camera, but selfie is not enough, 8 megapixel. And battery is 5600 milliampere hour, which is good for normal smartphone, but for this big display I think it's not enough again. But it's good battery, but if you open all of them and open all of your screens and watch video, I think you cannot use of this phone, I think, more than 5 or 6 hours. The charger is 66 watt, not bad, not very powerful, but not bad. IPX8 not supported. So it means that it's not water resistant. Again, I didn't like this part. About other things, not very information, and it has NFC sensors. Okay, other things are on their website, you can check yourself. But how about my experience? What I liked about this phone was quality of the screen. It's very high quality, very nice. Another thing that I told you another thing that I told you is we can choose one screen, two screen, or three screen. It is very good how you want to use of it. It's flexible and it's very good. About design, you feel powerful. You feel you are powerful. Look like a king. Very nice in your hand. Design is fantastic. For watching video, for anything on big screen, it is very good. If you have, for example, jobs which you need big screen on your phone to check anything, to check something together, you need, for example, 3 screen together. Again, very fantastic. But what is not good? First of all, CPU, which is what's not here or I couldn't find, is Kirin 9010. Kirin 9010 is good, but not very powerful. So on that time, it was look like Snapdragon 8 generation 1, but not as good as that. A bit weaker than that. So Kirin generally is not as powerful as Snapdragon. So CPU is a bit weak. Price is high. It starts with $2,800 till $3,370. So it's expensive. About selfie camera, very weak, very weak. It's bad that it's not water and dust resistant. And about system, it is not Android, so you will have problems with finding applications or something like that. So if we want to conclude everything together, if you are a rich person, which you have one phone and you want second one, and you like luxury phones, and you love to watch movies, and you don't care about this money, I think it is good for you. You can enjoy of being luxury, big screen, and enjoy of that. But if you are thinking to buy one good smartphone for using, for working with that, look like download applications, work with your phone, for example, you are freelancer or your job is with phone, so it is not good choice for you. If you want to buy one gift for your, for example, father or grandfather, it is good choice because it looks, they can watch movie, video, and they don't use too much of that, so it is very luxury, so very luxe gift. You can give it to your older people because they don't use too much applications. You just need YouTube or Instagram or this kind of applications which you can find for Huawei, but again, not for job, not for working. It's not good. So comment please. First of all, if you want to join to our giveaway, count how many times I used phone, this word. And if you want to write your opinion about phone, please, it's free to write. I like to see what you think, what do you mind, you want to buy it or not, you prefer it or not. And if you want to know about other brands or another brand which you don't know buy or not, please just write for me which brand is interesting to you. Have a good day. Don't forget, take care of yourself because each subscriber is valuable to me. Bye bye.